Nobody likes it when a course they've waited months for gets cancelled. What's more, some training providers deliberately list courses that don't exist, with no intention of running them, just to get your personal details. At Euromoney Learning, we think the customer experience should always come first. That's why we launched Guaranteed to Run, a new initiative designed to take the fear of cancellation out of your training plans. Any GTR course, either on our website or global calendar, is 100% guaranteed. With our GTR promise, this allows you to book a course months in advance, potentially making huge savings on travel and accommodation. Booking onto one of our GTR courses could not be easier either. Simply visit our website, look for the GTR Shield, and proceed to checkout. It's that simple. No cancellations, hassle-free. At Euromoney Learning, we are proud to be the only financial training provider that 100% guarantees a large portion of our public courses, with more being constantly added. Ensure you have the most up-to-date listing by viewing our latest GTR schedule, available via our website euromoney.com/learning. Guaranteed to Run. Plan your training with confidence.